The salmon roe was exquisite, and the crab full course was fantastic. In Abashiri, Hokkaido, I fully enjoyed Mother Nature's bounties. First, I hopped into a kayak and paddled around Lake Abashiri and then down the Abashiri River, enjoying the great outdoors. And inspiring nature. I even saw a fox. In Abashiri, salmon has long been an essential part of the people's lives. I observed fishermen capturing salmon as they returned from the sea.
This is sake lunch.
Thank you.
My lunch was, of course, salmon. Yakizuke is a salmon seasoned with soy sauce and sake after being grilled. Izushi is a mixture of salmon and vegetables fermented with koji malt. Abashiri salmon provide the highest grade roe. Over rice, I served salmon roe pickled in soy sauce and added some locally produced horseradish. This is the Abashiri style. Next, I drove along Kando no Michi, where you can appreciate the hues of nature in any season. If you visit Abashiri in summer, you will see beautiful sunflower fields like this. There is a variety of attractive lodgings. I stayed at a cottage hotel surrounded by a forest. My dinner was a crab full course. In terms of crab catches, Abashiri competes for the top spot in Japan. There are different types of crabs. It's fun to compare their tastes. This is a horsehair crab. As plankton and seaweed are abundant here, they are well fed and have a lot of flesh. It was wonderful with crab tamale. Grilled crabs have an even more wonderful aroma and concentrated flavor. And with shabu shabu, you dip crab meat into the broth for a heavenly soft texture. It was amazing.
Let's go! Hi!
The next day, I went cycling with a guide. I spent half the day riding around Abashiri. Along the way, I drank milk from cows raised in the Abashiri area. It was both sweet and refreshing. Later, I enjoyed a barbecue lunch. All of these items were products from Abashiri. The flavor of the ingredients was evident in every bite. I especially enjoyed the asparagus. The craft beer was blue. The color was inspired by drift ice, a winter attraction in this region. Come visit and enjoy Abashiri, Hokkaido.